Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. This beautiful, vibrant quilt set just really has brightened up this whole room, don't you think? This is a beautiful quilt set from SHALALA, and it comes in a king size that I opted for our spare room. But as you can see, whether you have it over a queen size bed or king, it's nice and generously sized so that it drapes beautifully on the bed. I really love the fabric on this quilt. It is nice and light and airy, and underneath has a nice line look to it. But you can also use this in colder weather as well because it looks beautiful for layering. The king shams that it came with work really well for the pillows, and it has a nice envelope feature on the back so they stay really secure on your pillows, and they're made of that same lightweight quilted fabric as the bedspread. This cover is beautiful. It has such pretty colors. It really brings such a nice fresh look to this room. If you're looking to brighten up your space, you will really enjoy being able to have these beautiful colors, and it just really makes such a nice change for the room. But that's just my point of view.